Have some things to say, so go ahead.
Sure, I hope that this group can affect local and state policy to move towards realizing the goals of better transportation, less, more efficient public transit that works. And I'd like to see the remaining policy barriers to using ultralight vehicles removed. I'd like to see us come up with proposals that make it possible to start introducing these as a predominant means of transportation inside the metro area, and especially inside city centers like Denver.
Do you think it's possible that we don't even have to sell this as a climate solution? We just say that we can save so much money and save so much land that would have value?
I think that has to be come at from several different points of view, but it needs to be done, and it's a difficult task. As you say, people have to make the decision that they want their extra car or their only car to be something that's very small and lightweight and has certain limitations, as in making long distance trips, and that's a tall order to implement.
Do you know the statistic that the average American is 180 pounds, and 40 years ago the average car was 3,200 pounds. Now it's 4,300 pounds. So the internet, the digital revolution came, and our cars are 1,100 pounds heavier. I mean, right. if our planet was a person, aren't we heading towards a heart attack or something?
Yeah. This is why PAT solutions like making them all electric is not just making full-size electric vehicles will be heavier, and will continue to be heavier than equivalent internal combustion engines. Powered vehicles. I'd like to see ultralight hybrid vehicle trains. The average or the entry-level electric bicycle has only a 250 watt motor. People can put out about 100 watts of power. I think you can build a vehicle that can protect people from the elements and afford some measure of personal protection, and drive it with 2 or more kilowatts. Well, you can buy an off-the-shelf portable generator that's very compact, uses very little fuel, pollutes very little, that puts out 2 kilowatts. That, in conjunction with batteries and possibly even solar cells on the roof, or there's also inductive charging or resonant cavity energy transfer. There's lots of possibilities for powering ultra lightweight vehicles that could reduce the environmental burden of transportation quite a bit. But we have to make it possible to have a large scale introduction of those vehicles. We're not there.